I'm going to demonstrate to you the result training sa Edu ka na train for toilet training. So I'm going to show Conan 2 years and 5 months Belgian. So minsan gamay, we have a schedule. For example, in the morning 6 o'clock pugaon na siya, ipapupo or pa-uwi sa outside. And hapon 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. So ang Edu, kabalo mo control if you have the time para sa maka-break. So ang command is break command, meaning at the time nga mag-ihi or pupo sila. So ang key is consistency. So dahil nyo ako sa trainer ko, kuha ako si Conan, I'm going to show to you. I'm going to say break, automatic napupo siya or ihi. Ready? Break. 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 Boy. Good dog. So while ihihigo mo you keep on pressing. Good dog. Good dog. Break. 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 Po siya, keep on pressing. Good dog, good dog, good break, good boy. Good boy. Good dog. Good break. Good boy. So I hope may nakuha ka mga tips to help train your dogs for training. So if you do that, convenient sa imo not to clean your kennel, but your dog will poop outside or will wee outside. So thank you.